Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155.
Bharatiya Janata Party hak arterik urempang araljar arhulai kala Pynbna pajba ya Thup Kyrteng jungi hinrup hungut ki Kyrtong ki ban aireng hak election syak yeng dorbar thau an ki jela kaban salong hak arpnyu terik urempang araljar arhulai ya Thup jungi Kyrteng la Pynbna do state president ke BJP Meghalaya state unit uba Ernest Mauri hak ji alang bagi lat pathai kubuar kapala long hak office trekam jong BJP ha New Delhi haringkat ke jingsak hilang jong Rituraj Sinha mat unnalin kuli.
I'd like to give a special thanks to the Central Election Committee, right from our Honorable and beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, our National President Shri J.P. Naddaji, and all the esteemed members of the Central Election Committee. Yesterday we had a meeting from the state present by me as the State President, and Shri M. Chubau, the National Vice President, and the in charge of Meghalaya were present in the meeting, and Shri Rituraj Sinha, National Secretary and Joint Coordinator of Northeast in charge of Meghalaya were present, and Shri Elhek, MLA and National Executive members who were present, and they have cleared the list. And here I'm going to read the name of the candidate for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, right from serial number 1, Legislative Assembly constituency number and name, and the name of the candidate. Last election 2018, we have contested 47 seats, and we win 2 seats, and we have stood second almost 7 seats, and we have stood third also, almost 12 seats. So this time we hope we will win more seats. Serial number 1, that is Fas Nartyang ST seat, Shri Rimiki Sari. Serial number 2, that is Joy ST seat, Shri Alan Kate Suchiang. Serial number 3, that is Ralyang ST seat, Shri Lakhon Biam. Serial number 4, ST seat, Shri Karantis Raban. Serial number 5, Sutanga Saipung ST, Shri Krisen Langstang. Serial number 6, ST seat, Shri Bhayas Charmang. Serial number 7, Amlarem ST, Shri Fasbon Manar. Serial number 8, Mauhati ST, Dr. Everest Mersing. Serial number 9, Nongpo ST, Shrimati Marian Maring. Serial number 10, Jirang ST seat, Shrimati Ria Sangma. Serial number 11, Umsning ST, Shri Durut Majau. Serial number 12, Umroy ST, Shri Shanbor Ramde. Serial number 13, that is Maurunkeneng ST, Shri Highlander Karmalki. Serial number 14, that is Panthor Umkra General Seat, Shri Alexander Laluhek. Serial number 15, Maulai ST, Shri Wandonbok Jerwa. Serial number 16, East Shillong ST, Shri Wankitbok Poshna. 17 North Shillong ST, Shri Mariahom Kharkrang. Serial number 18 West Shillong General Seat, Shri Ernest Mauri. 19 South Shillong, serial number 19, Shri Sanbor Shurai. Serial number 20, that is Milim ST, Shri Samuel Hasha. Serial number 21, that is ST seat, Shri David Karsati. Serial number 22, that is Nongkrem ST seat, Shri David T. Karkongor. Serial number 23, Soyong ST, Shri Serap Eric Karbuki. Serial number 24, Mauflang ST, Shri Wasaroy Rani. Serial number 25, Mausunram ST, Shri Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang. Serial number 26, Sheila ST, Shrimati Arena Nyota. Serial number 27, Penosla ST, Shri Rawali Khongsni. Serial number 28, Swara ST, Shri Michael Ronnie Kshiar. Serial number 29, that's Maukunro ST, Shri Councillor Mukhim. Serial number 30, Mairang ST, Shri Mark Rinaldi Saukme. Serial number 31, Mauthat Raishan ST, Shrimati Dari Kemen L. Marshilong. Serial number 32, Nongstoin ST, Shri Diostanes Chindiang. Serial number 33, Rambrai Jerngam, Shri Spastelin Nongrem. Serial number 34, Maushinrut ST, Shri Bijoy Kenter. Serial number 35, Radikor ST, Shri Martin M. Dango. Serial number 36, Maukorwat ST, Shrimati B.T. Jarwa. Serial number 37, Kharkuta ST, Shri Elston D. Marak. Serial number 38, Manipathar, Shri Sangnap C.H. Momin. Serial number 39, Risubal Para ST Sit, Shri Sukharam K. Sangma. Serial number 40, Bajangdova ST Sit, Shri Harendro A. Sangma. Serial number 41, Songsak ST, Shri Thomas N. Marak. Serial number 42, Rongjang ST, Shri Rafius C.H. Sangma. Serial number 43, William Naga ST Sit, Shri Raknang C.H. Momin. Serial number 44, Raksam Grey ST, Shri Benedict R. Marak. Serial number 45, Tikrikila ST, Shri Rahinat Barshung. Serial number 46, Fulbury, Shri Edmund K. Sangma. Serial number 47, Rajabala, Shri Bakul C.H. Hajong. Serial number 48, Salsela, Srimati Ferlin C.A. Sangma. Serial number 49, Dadengri ST Sit, Shri Brening R. Marak. Serial number 50, North Tura Sit, Shri Adamkit M. Sangma. Serial number 51, that is South Tura, Shri Bernard N. Marak. Serial number 52, Rangsak Kona, ST Sit, Shri Dipul R. Marak. Serial number 53, Ampati, Shri Pramanda Coach. Serial number 54, Mahendrakan, Shri Tinku N. Marak. Serial number 55, Salman Para, Shri Boston Marak. Serial number 56, Kambigre, Shri Daniel M. Sangma. Serial number 57, Dalu ST, Shri Aki A. Sangma. Serial number 58, Rongra Siju ST Sit, Shri Kalis G. Momin. Serial number 59, Shokpot ST Sit, Shri November C.H. Marak. And serial number 60, Bakmara ST, Shri Samuel M. Sangma. This is the list of the candidate. We have contested all the 60 seats to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Thank you.